Today's question is, do you have a song that when you hear it, no matter what is going on, it makes you feel good? Name that song in the comments. I have a couple, but there's just one song when I hear it, it is like everything seems to be okay. It makes me dance, it makes me sing, so I love it. So let me know in the comments if you have a song, no matter what is going on in your life, when you hear it, everything just seems to be okay. I want to hear it. Let's keep talking in the comments. Thank you all again for the feedback. I do appreciate it. And I enjoy seeing the different feedbacks in the comments. I appreciate it very much. Thank you all very, very much. And the rest of this video might just be quiet with music. I am creating an eye look using the Nomad Cosmetics Haunted Europe palette.
Seven words beat.
This color in the pan looks gray, but it has a shift. I can see green in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it looked gray. It looks gray in the pan, but once you start touching it and playing with it, it looks a little green. It shifts. Very pretty. It's a shimmer. The first color I put all over my eye is a matte. It's a brown and it's a matte. They have names, but I don't have my glasses, so I can't tell you what it is. I'll try and remember at the end to tell you the names of the colors that I use. But I definitely will swatch it so you can see, because this is pretty. Wow. Now that's a nice color. I am loving this color. These are the two colors that I used today. This one is called Count Dracula. This one is called the Catacombs. It's a glitter. It is a shimmer. It looks gray in the pan, but when you swatch it, as you can see, it has like a shift with different colors, like a green and a slate color. This is what it looks like in the pan. And this is the Count Dracula color that I use. So this looks gray. If you look on my eyes, you can see there's a shift. If you look on my hand, you can see there is a shift also. Again, today's question was, do you have a song that when you hear it, everything just seems okay? Let me know in the comments. Today's inspirational and encouraging word is coming from the section that says, just do it. Let us just do it. Today's inspirational encouraging word say, I have spent my days stringing and unstringing my instrument while the song I came to sing remains unsung. Think about that. This is so deep. I have spent my days stringing and unstringing my instrument while the song I came to sing remains unsung. These words were said by Rabanaga Tong. I hope I say it correctly. But this is deep. You have a song to sing, sing it. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and simply make up a saying to go out there and live life. Reach out to someone this time of year just to say a hi, hello, because people are alone and lonely and depressed and anxious. Please remember them.